What is up, guys? And today I'm making a video of Zuba. And today's video is going to be about opening up an emerald crate. Okay, so here it is, guys. I just got the emerald crate. So let's open it up. Please be a character. Please. Please. Again? Dude, how is this possible? I can't. I literally can't. I've been trying for the whole week. Today's day 6 of this challenge. I've been trying for so long. Just trying to get Emerald Crate, trying to get a character. But guess what? I don't get anything. I would have kept the max tokens. At least I got Jade. I am definitely not getting those gems. But I might get one of these. Because I have 11,485 points for this event. And I think that's a lot. So I might get top 10. Which is still good. Top 5 is even better. Because you get a character. Okay, looks like we just had to see. But because we cannot do a video without a battle, how about we do one? So I really wanted those max tokens. But it just has to be the way it is. Okay, so let's do this with Max. I love Max. I love Max, but he doesn't beat my love for Steve. I love Steve even better. Steve is my boy. Okay, there we go. I feel so bad for that Larry. Gets killed in 10 seconds inside the game. She should have just ran. She could have escaped all of those bombs. Oh no. There we go, guys. Please, at least get me to 500 subscribers. I really need them. Please support me. I just saw level 7. Giovanni. Oh, I tried. Here's a level 7. How are you thinking I'm gonna kill level 7? Why am I level 4? Okay. Let's open this Bronx crate. Reroll. Got all the tokens. So if you like this video, subscribe, and love this video, subscribe and like. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.